Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to unblock a number on iPhone. To unblock a contact number on iPhone, first of all, open up the Settings app on your iOS device. Within the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Now, look for the phone application from the app list and tap on it. Inside the Phone tab, scroll all the way down and tap on Blocked Contacts. You will then be able to see the list of contacts that you've blocked. Swipe left on the contact and click on Unblock. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unblock the contact from your iOS device. Blocked contacts won't know that they have been blocked or unblocked. You can re-block a contact anytime, whenever you want. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload. See you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.